In this session, let us learn about products. To find the product of the elements in an array, use the prod function. Find the product of elements of this array. See, by using np-prod method, it returns 24 because 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 24. See another example, find the product of the elements of two arrays. See here, it returns 40320 because 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 is equal to 40320. Product over an axis. If you specify axis is equal to 1, NumPy will return the product of each array. See the example, perform summation in the following arrays over first axis. See, by using this code, the result returns 241680. Cumulative product. Cumulative product means taking the product partially. Example, the partial product of 1, 2, 3, 4 is 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 2 into 3, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 1, 2, 6, 24. Perform partial sum with the cum-prod function. See the example, take cumulative product of all elements for following array. See, by using this code, the result is 530, 210, 1680. Okay friends, this is the end of part 37, products. In next video, let us learn about another topic, differences.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.